Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has categorized Apple as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.04. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has encountered a decline of 1.28%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.26% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -7.71% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -12.74% to +1.27%. In a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 28.1%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 24.83% and 61.07% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price falling between $272 and $273 to $350.98. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock downgraded from sell candidate to strong sell candidate after Friday trading session. The Apple stock price fell by 2.66% on the last day, which was Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, dropping from $223.85 to $217.90. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.79%, ranging from a low of $217.72 to a high of $223.80. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.07% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 3 million shares. Although this occurred alongside falling prices, this may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 40 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $8.61 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $260.10, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the stock price is 16.22%, or $42.20, below the 52-week high of $260.10, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc.'s recent developments signal potential volatility in its stock price both in the short and long term. On one hand, reports indicate that Apple may avoid hefty fines under new European Union digital laws, a relief that could enhance investor confidence and bolster its market position. Short-term gains might be seen if regulatory pressures ease, boosting market sentiment. Conversely, Apple's ongoing struggles in the streaming sector continue to raise concerns, with its Apple TV Plus service reportedly losing over $1 billion annually. Analysts describe this venture as a hobby compared to competitors like Disney and Netflix, highlighting potential pitfalls in diversification strategies that may impact profit margins in the near term. Additionally, some analysts express concerns about diminished profitability compared to rivals like Nvidia, which could lead to bearish outcomes for its stock. Looking ahead, while predictions suggest that Apple may soar in value over the next 5 years, particularly as it addresses its technological shortcomings in artificial intelligence, these challenges present headwinds. Overall, the balance between potential relief from regulation and existing operational challenges will be critical in shaping Apple's performance on the stock market. Investors should keep a close eye on these dynamics as they develop. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Apple a rating of overweight with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple a rating of reduce with an upgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Apple a rating of buy with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned Apple a rating of hold with a downgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned Apple a rating of underperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 3.92%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been identified. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The Apple stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $220.02 and $230.28. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Kivitz, buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $216.98. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This stock demonstrates average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $6.08, representing 2.79%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.96%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, commonly seen in companies with established track records or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.61. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $218.27. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $216.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of February, 2025, Susan Wagner conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Ronald D. Sugar also conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. Additionally, Monica C. Lozano conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On that date, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider purchase of 1,113 shares of restricted stock unit. Lastly, Andrea Jung conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit on the same day. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 23.997. Overall, insiders purchased 1,692,264 shares and sold 2,800,500 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, Apple exhibits several negative indicators and is caught in a broad and declining trend. We anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a sell recommendation to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and fluctuations from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 31st of March, we expect Apple to open higher by $1.91, initiating trade at $219.81. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.